Social distancing has become the norm, and we all have our family members using a phone to attend classes, interviews, meetings, or calls from other family members and friends. What gets vexing is the small screen, which makes your eyes strain even more than usual, with the smaller screen phones coming closer to your eyes by the minute. Welcome back to Purvika, where we provide a solution to this problem the best way possible. A tablet. You need something that is easy for anyone to use around the house. In comes the M10, the 10-inch tablet by Lenovo. Now let's take a look at 9 reasons why Lenovo Tab M10 is the tablet that solves your problem. Reason number 1, the 10.1 inch or the 25.4 centimeter screen size that gives you enough space to see what's on the screen without squinting your eyes or bringing the display closer. Reason number 2, the Dolby Atmos support for speakers on the M10 gives you a theater-like audiovisual experience. Reason number 3, a kids-friendly device. There is a kids mode on the device that keeps it up to date with the latest curated children's content. It is definitely easy to use as well. Reason number 4, 4850 mAh battery that lasts you an entire day without any hassle. Reason number 5, thin and light, easy for portability. The M10s weigh just 480 grams and has a thickness of just 8.1 millimeter. Carrying it around in a satchel or a backpack is not going to be a difficulty. Reason number 6, there are very functional cameras on this one. The 5 megapixel rear and the 2 megapixel front. Reason number 7, expandable memory up to 256 GB. The M10s offer 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage or the 16 GB internal storage. Reason number 8, the surprisingly efficient processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 with the Adreno 506 GPU is actually good for gaming. Multitasking with the tab is also very comfortable. Reason number 9 is actually a bonus point for the headphone jack and the unlock with face recognition feature. These are actual features we won't take for granted in today's world. That said, let us know what you think of the device. Did we miss anything? Let us know down on the comment section below. It's the season and it's the time. So if you're looking to buy someone a gift, Lenovo M10 is definitely a great present. The best place to order your Lenovo Tab M10 is at Purvika website. So click on the link given below and we will deliver it to your doorstep with our 2-hour fast delivery option. Easy EMI option is also here, so don't worry. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up and click on that bell icon for instant updates.